Welcome everyone to Grad to Corporate. Today we will explore some of the best off-campus opportunity for freshers and early career professionals. These roles spans IT services, product-based software development and fintech engineering, offering the salary package from 3.6 up to 24 LPA depending on the experience and skills. Zoho Corporation is globally recognized a product-based SaaS company known for building the business software solutions like CRM, finance, HR, and productivity tools. The company has a strong engineering-driven culture and focuses on innovation and product quality. The software developer role is based on Chennai. Zoho is hiring the software developer with 0 to 4 years of experience. Candidates should have a background in computer science or related engineering field. The estimated salary can go up to 7 LPA depending on the skills and interview performance. This is a full-time on-site opportunity. To crack the Zoho selection process, strong programming fundamentals are essential. Knowledge of Java, Python, or C++ along with the data structures and algorithm is very important. Candidate must also understand the object-oriented concepts and basic database handling. The selection process includes the resume screening, a technical test, technical interview focusing on problem solving, and a HR discussion. Zoho provides the long-term growth into the senior developer, technical lead, and architectural roles. Wipro Limited is one of the India's largest IT service companies. It provides consulting, digital transformation, and IT outsourcing services to the global clients. The associate role is based in Bangalore and offers structured learning opportunities for freshers. The associate position at Wipro is ideal for fresh graduates from any discipline. It is an entry level role in IT services and operation, offering a salary between 1.6 and 4.8 LPA, depending on the roles and performance. As an associate, you will manage the client queries, process transaction, and maintain documentation, ensuring the SLA, that is, service level agreements, are met. It is a role that builds communication, client handling, and professional workflow skills. The selection process usually involves the resume screening followed by the interview. Strong communication skills, analytical thinking, and basic technical understanding are the key factors for selection and success in this role. Alacrity Technology Solution operates in a fintech domain modernizing the payment system for US banks and credit unions. It is known for its engineering culture and cloud based platform. The role is based in Hyderabad with a work from office model. Alacrity offers a competitive salary ranging depending on the experience. Entry level engineers can earn up to 3.6 to 8 LPA, while the senior engineers can earn up to 24 LPA. This makes it one of the higher paying opportunities among the three companies. Candidate must have a strong fundamentals of Java and experience with Springboard REST API and microservices architecture. Basic cloud knowledge, especially AWS service, is highly preferred. The hiring process includes an online challenge with the MCQ codings and SQL questions. Shortlisted candidates proceed to the project-based and descriptive round, followed by the interview. Preparation in Java and SQL is crucial. To conclude, choose a company that aligned your technical strength and a long-term goal. Prepare well in the data structure, programming fundamentals, and communication skill. Your journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for the latest off campus job alert and the career tips. Stay tuned and stay ahead.